you're experiencing frame stuttering in Minecraft, there are several adjustments you can make to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to enhance your gameplay. Step 1. Adjust video settings. Go to the Minecraft options menu and select video settings. Lower the render distance, turn off fancy graphics, and reduce the particles to decrease the load on your system. Step 2. Allocate more RAM. Open the Minecraft launcher, go to Installation, select your profile, and click on More Options. Increase the amount of RAM allocated to Minecraft by adjusting the JVM arguments, ensuring you leave enough for your system to function properly. Step 3. Update graphics drivers. Check for updates for your graphics card drivers. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers to ensure optimal performance. Step 4. Use performance mods. Consider installing performance-enhancing mods like Optifine. This mod allows for greater customization of graphics settings and can significantly improve frame rates and reduce stuttering. Step 5. Close background applications. Before launching Minecraft, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources and can help improve game performance. By following these steps, you should notice a significant improvement in your Minecraft gameplay experience. Enjoy your enhanced gaming.